Le'Veon Bell and Joe Mixon get into a Twitter beef. Hey, thanks for tuning into the Fumble, your NFL headquarters. For more on all your favorite athletes, make sure you click subscribe and join the notification squad for updates on all the latest. I'm Britt Johnson. The Pittsburgh Steelers currently lead the AFC North, but the Bengals aren't too far behind. As a sports fan, I know it's still early enough in the season to be anyone's game. Unfortunately, every team is only one injury away from their season being ruined. What player do you think impacts his team the most? Let me know in the comments below. Currently, the AFC North is probably considered one of the most competitive divisions in the league, so with competition comes rivalries, and with that, ultimate beef. Recently, rookie running back Joe Mixon told ESPN this: "Me personally, I feel like I can do way more than Bell did. Like I said, I only had 7 carries. I can't showcase nothing if I don't get the ball. There's nothing else I can say." Well, Le'Veon Bell did not like that one very much. Sunday, he took to his Twitter and posted this: "For someone who feels they can do way more than I can, sure seems like you want to be me, trying to mimic my run style, my first down celebration." He then went on to tweet this: "Now you wear an arm sleeve on your left arm and went to the mismatch gloves too? LOL, just change your number from 28 to 26 while you're at it." Well, Bell, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. Mixon has also said this of Bell: "It's frustrating. I feel like I'm seeing Le'Veon Bell get the ball 35 times and I got it 7 in the first half and then don't touch the ball again." Yeah, I think it's safe to say he pretty much just wants to be Le'Veon, but Le'Veon is a good lead to follow. So do you guys think Mixon would be an elite rookie if he got more touches? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and shop the Fumble store before you go. I'm Britt Johnson, and I'll see you soon.